I am very proud to share with you this 1965 Corvette just finished a complete meticulous body off frame restoration, only 617 miles since it's been finished. Very rich Glen Green metallic with the tan glove soft leather, has a tan canvas top, and it features a number match 327. The Power Glide with power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes makes it super easy and comfortable to drive. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find the price tag on this car and about 200 others. And they each have a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So this was done locally. The fellow that put it together, that owned it, very meticulous guy. I've known him for a long time and gotten a handful of cars from him. All of them were outstanding. The gentleman he chose to paint the car has a reputation in this area of doing an excellent job. His paint jobs will look this good 20 years out. I know because I've seen several. So the body's excellent. He said the body appeared to be a no-hit, absolutely straight. All the gaps are right on. The owner even made a point to say there's no squeaks or rattles. He must have told me that 3 or 4 times, like that was his most proudest feature of this car. It's all straight, no damage, no cracking, no shrinkage, all beautiful. The paint looks like you could reach your arm right into it. It's a dark green metallic, all laid out evenly, polished like a mirror. All the way down is real nice and sharp. Lines are all nice and crisp. Shuts real nicely. Headlight doors fit real nice. They open and close. I just tried them. They open and close together at the same time. All the chrome is sparkling. Looks like show chrome on the bumpers. New cross flag emblems, new tail lights, door handles, new bow tie mirror. Crystal clear windshield, I'm sure, is new. The gasket's new. All the weather strips were replaced. It's now sitting on some rally wheels, which didn't come out until 67. The hubcap this year wasn't the best looking, so he did put on the 67 rallies that looked great with some new tires. Must have had a boo-boo right here. There's a touch-up right here. Something must have dropped on it. It's a small little chip. That's the only flaw that I've seen in the car. Gas caps new, power antenna works. I will put the top up on this one in just a minute because it's a gorgeous convertible top. We also have the removable hardtop, which was painted. The paint's as nice as this, but it needs a rear window. It needs a headliner. Comes with a box full of all the trim in that. So it does have the hardtop, which is an added value, but it needs to be finished if you're going to use it. Let's open it up, check out the inside. Sure, you can see some of the reflections in the paint to get an idea of what I was talking about. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. We're posting some great content, some beautiful cars. Remember, our cars are all for sale. Go to volocars.com to see the entire inventory. Okay, so the jambs are nice and clean, and the latches are clean. The weather strips are new. Sill plates are new. Tan interior, beautiful color combination, all new door panels. The window cranks and hardware look to be very good. So this all looks mint. Speedometer and tachometer, he had resurfaced. 617 miles since it's been redone. The other gauges are original and they look great and they function really well. Both dash pads were replaced. It's an Al-Nock interior. That's a high quality interior. All this was re-dyed, so it's all fresh and clean. The knobs all are shiny. The radio works. Quartz movement in the clock. This looks like it's original. Just a couple really minor scratches. And inside does have the owner's manual and our inspection sheet. So the interior lights are working. All new carpet. We bought the mats as well. Power Glide automatic. Now this is the part I like best, these seats. Look how tight and firm they are because all new cushions. But you can't tell, but this is glove soft leather. Even the sides of the seats are leather. The armrest is leather. I drive a new Lincoln, and it's not any softer than this right here. He's also added retractable 3-point seat belts. Normally they just had lap belts. New carpet going all the way to the back. There's an interior light way back there. That is working. And underneath here, the jack, he has it wrapped up so it doesn't rattle around, but it does include the jack. I'll put the top up at the end of the video. New visors, new mirror, and a new reproduction steering wheel. So inside this car is really dandy. Love the color, love the condition, and extra love those leather seats. So this is a completely rebuilt 327, 300 horsepower, VIN number matching. We check the casting codes and dates. We really do our due diligence in making sure it's number matching. All stock, the valve covers, air cleaner, ignition shielding, the stickers, the carburetor, the dual snorkel air cleaner, reproduction hoses. It does have power steering and it has power brakes. And it is detailed to the max. That is fresh. Correct radiator, looks like it's new. The reproduction hoses, the expansion tank, the choke tube, the choke fuel filter. Very, very nice engine compartment. The windshield washer is hooked up. All right, Michael's going to take you for a little spin in this one, and we'll see you back in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, top is down, time to go for a cruise. Beautiful crisp day here. Got an even more beautiful restoration on the 65 Corvette. Frame off here with 619 miles on the odometer, and this thing is just so sweet. Got the tan, actual, genuine leather interior. Feels great. The seats are restuffed too, on top of being recovered. And then you got the Glen Green exterior, just a very rich color combination. Kind of reminds me of the mid-90s Vettes. I know they did this color combination a lot back then, but not in the 60s, so super rare as far as that's concerned. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got a power antenna too. Numbers matching, 327, rated at 300 horsepower under the hood. Does have the automatic power glide transmission as well. Seems like all the gauges are working. Holding a temp of 180, good oil pressure, battery showing a charge, a little bit of gas in there, and yeah, tack everything. Even the clock there is working, and that has been replaced or upgraded with a quartz movement. Stereo should work also. There we go. Just a great, great car. Even got a canvas top on it. So this one's just really high quality, clear across the board. Somebody put a bunch of money into the restoration on this and barely drove it at all. Great opportunity for somebody there. Now let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to just a bit over highway speeds, absolutely no problem. That exhaust got a little rumble to it, you know, kind of stock style, I would imagine. Very, very consistent, very smooth operator there on the engine. Let's see how we can get her to go down the street here. Gotta absolutely love it. Very, very nice alignment on here, and just a great driving experience overall. I tell you, I mean, the performance on this, the handling on this will rival any modern car, really. Just very adequate all the way around, and a heck of a lot of fun to drive. This one, I've started it a few times. It could sit for a couple days, and then boom, 2 taps on the gas, she will fire right up. Just fantastic vehicle all the way around. And you know, our shop thought it was fantastic too. Our lead mechanic went ahead and inspected this thing top to bottom, and they were searching for stuff to do on it. They did tinker with a few little things. We're coming up with a bill of less than $500 on this one, so it was extremely dialed in when we purchased it. And yeah, it's consistent in the performance that you guys are seeing right here on this test drive. Just fantastic. Really kind of top-notch build on this one, and it's just done right. You can tell that when you drive it. Speaking of driving it, if you want to come down and test drive it yourself, you are more than welcome to come visit us. We're in Volo, Illinois, which is about a 40-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport. Fly in, come out, check out the car, and spend the weekend in the city maybe. You know, it's a lot of fun to do that way. If you don't have time for all that, of course, you can just click the Buy It Now button. That will go ahead and secure the car for you so nobody else can purchase it. If you want, you can even hire a third-party inspector, and they can go ahead and come out and give you a thorough report on it, you know, put it up on a lift, everything like that, so you can check out the underside. But as I see it, it's a really exceptional vehicle, and somebody's absolutely going to love it. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So doesn't it look amazing with the top up? I keep using the word rich. It's a rich looking Corvette, classy. Underneath is spotless. They took the body off the frame. Frame was stripped down, powder coated. The raw fiberglass floors are all nice and clean. Has a spare tire carrier in back. Has a tire in there, so you have to listen to it rattle. Independent suspension, all rebuilt front and back. Upgraded to a composite leaf spring in the back. All the steering was rebuilt. The steering ram is new. The control valve. Reproduction dual exhaust with the chrome tips going right out through the valance. 4-wheel disc brakes, all new. The whole system's new. The lines, the hoses, the e-brake cables. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless Chevy orange. Lower ignition shielding is there. The starter's correct. That looks new. Fuel pump looks new. Power glide transmission, completely rebuilt, all detailed. Rebuilt drive shaft going back to the posi rear end. It's also the correct unit. It's dated for this car. You put fresh posi fluid in there. Really nice car, folks. I'd be a little more enthusiastic if I have a nerve pain in my face. Otherwise, I'd be really yelling and jumping up and down. But this is a fantastic car. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.